Bye, see you in the morning.
Bye bye.
You've got the biggest rucksack today.
Not the
I've not gone that
biggest.
size before. I think this looks like a good campsite, Lukas.
Yeah.
It's a nice spot there. Coming in to help us, you puppy.
Not really. Come on. Out we get. Puppy. To celebrate 250 subs, I've got two giveaways for you today. One is a Halloween related one because it's Halloween, and the other one is more bushcrafty style. I'm going to also do a couple of shout outs as well. People who supported me from the beginning. Maybe they've just left a comment, said they enjoy videos, or maybe they've given me something to help me along the way. First one on my list is Monty Outdoors, who's just passed 1,000 subscribers. Well done to him. He's always up for a little chat on the comments. Enjoy his videos. One I'd recommend is when he camped out in Storm Kira and he ended up in the loch. Second one I got is Y Explorer. He always leaves me a nice comment. Always watches my videos. He has since the start. Then we got Twin Peaks Wild Camping. Just Finn. Welsh Boyo 07, The Welsh Wanderer, Robbie Boyo, Rico Reese, Stealth Handy Stealth, has always got a nice comment. And a couple of boys you might have seen in the videos. Drew Fuss is one of them. He's got a channel called Sticks333 Richards. He doesn't upload it much, but he's slick on the bike. If you want to see some nice downhill biking videos, you might have seen Joel in the videos. He does gaming channel, he streams his games, and his name is Shulter. Colin Russell, Scottish Wild Camper. The reason I put him in there, he's the one who put me onto this Pomely stove. I used his discount to get it as well, so it's time for my first giveaway. So this is going to be open to anyone in the UK, which I will post for free. But if you are abroad, overseas, you can still enter, but you just have to pay the postage. The first person to write in the comments the name of this film. If you can guess that film, I'll send you it on DVD. So I don't know, we might have a winner already, I don't know. But I'll announce the winners next week anyway. Just want to say thank you to everyone who's watched my crappy videos, get slowly better. And then there's some people that don't comment, but they come up to me in person or they send me a message. So the names I've got here is Mark, James, Michelle, Jan, anyone who's been in the videos. If I forgot to mention you in this video, feel free to write a passive-aggressive comment. I've been watching your videos for months, mate. And then the main giveaway, I'm going to give away one of these fireboxes. And all you need to do is write in the comments 250 subs, and you just need to be subscribed to this channel and write that hashtag in, and this time next week I'll pick out a winner from that. So I'm using pallet wood tonight. I've just finished building a workshop at the back of the garden, and I've been cladding it with pallets. So this is the leftover stuff, so you may as well use what you got. Cheers. Ching! Dog's come to join me. Oh, she's quite happy right next to the fire, yeah? Fire is going, it's right at the back.
And I know another horrible history tale.
The pumpkin's brains.
No.
Ah, look at it. Yeah. Just make a big, disgusting pumpkin
Brain
throwaway pile.
Yeah.
I didn't know I was going to make such a mess doing this.
He's a Santa.
You know.
He's one of the Santas.
One of the Santas. How many Santas is there?
He's one of the Santas.
Yeah, but how many is there?
Santa soon dies. Everyone dies.
Right.
Yo.
Chilies. Don't stand there looking like you want some, right? This is chilies.
She's a squeaky
You won't
donkey.
want any of this.
Oh my god.
Viva forever.
Wrong now.
I'll be waiting.
Yes.
I'm going to cut this mango quite fine. Next thing that's going in is a bit of cream. This looks a bit weird, but it's going to make it...
It does look weird.
Oh yeah!
Looks
Right, when you mix that up now, that's going to make it curryish, okay? Promise you.
Yeah,
Did you like the coriander in with your pumpkins?
No,
No?
I separated them.
Did you? Did you eat the coriander?
I ate some. I like it. It's looking pretty
It's an
gross.
Indian curry meal anyway.
It's looking pretty gross.
Yeah, well you would say that. Your favourite meal is bread.
No, it's not.
Blink it is.
Well, bread is in almost
The
everything.
plainer the better for Lucas. I'm
If
going to
it's-
munch this down.
If it's cold, you can use it in the fire.
I've closed the flaps because the rain is coming down.
And
I
that
think we're
one,
going to settle down for the
that
night.
flap is, wait, what?